In this video, I'll show you how you can add custom domain to Google AI Studio. So it's really simple, and there is actually a couple of ways how you can do this, but in this video, I'll show you how you can do it by using Vercel. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. And the first step is basically you want to open your project on Google AI Studio. And then you want to click on this Save to GitHub button in top right corner. And from here, you will have the option to sign into your GitHub account. And then you just want to create a repository. So let's say domain test, then you can add some description. You can make it private or public, and then click on create Git repo. So this will basically create a repository on GitHub, and from GitHub we can paste it in Vercel. Now you will see all these files, and you just want to click on stage and commit all changes. We are uploading your changes to GitHub, so you just need to wait a second. Now when you see no changes to commit, it has been successfully connected. Now the second thing is you can close this and you want to go to Vercel, so vercel.com, and if you don't have an account, you just want to sign in to Vercel, and then you want to click on start deploying. And from here you will have the option to import Git repository, so you need to sign into your GitHub account here. So then once you are signed, you will see all your repositories from GitHub. As you can see, this is my domain test, so I created it 50 seconds ago. So now you want to click on import next to it. And from here you can fill these details like project name, you can choose framework preset or root directory, and then once you are ready, just click on deploy. And this could take a couple of minutes to deploy your project. And as you can see, it took like 30 seconds and you just deployed your new project to Vercel. So now click on continue to dashboard. And from here we can add our custom domain. So we need to, you have this option domains here, and click on it. And from here you will see this is your default domain from Vercel. And to add a new one, you just need to click on add domain. If you don't have domain, you can also buy the domain, but I have domain, so I'm going to click on add domain. And then you need to paste your domain. So for this example, I have Hostinger domain. So I'm going to go to domains and then copy my domain from Hostinger and then just simply paste it here. And you want to check this redirect, this option, it's recommended, just check this and then just click save. Now domain added to project, and you can see like it's invalid configuration. So basically you just need to add DNS records to our Hostinger or whatever provider you have. So you just want to click on learn more also here, and we need to paste those two DNS records to our Hostinger. So the first one is type is A, this is name, and this is the value. So you just want to copy this value, then go back to Hostinger. And next to your domain, you want to click on Manage button, then DNS name servers on the left side. And from here, you just want to add those two records. So if you have already existing records, you want to delete them because it can mess your records and it might not work. So you just want to make sure you have no existing A or CNAME record. Then you just want to choose type A, name was this, and points to is the value. So add a record. So the first record is added successfully. Then the second one is CNAME, name is www, and this is the value. So I'm going to copy the value. Type was CNAME, name was www, and this is the address. Add record, DNS record added successfully. Now if we go back to Vercel and click refresh to each record, it should, if you click on refresh, you will see this valid configuration on each one. So that means your domain has been successfully connected. And this is how you can add your custom domain to Google AI Studio. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.